Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to take control of your glow and embrace that smooth, confident feeling? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of you have asked for, a complete step-by-step guide to Brazilian waxing at home. I know it can seem intimidating, but I promise, with the right technique and a little bit of courage, you can achieve salon quality results safely and comfortably in your own space. This is more than just hair removal. It's a ritual of self-care and empowerment. We're going to break it down into simple, manageable steps, covering everything from prep to aftercare. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's get started on this journey to silky smooth skin together. First things first, preparation is everything. You wouldn't paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas, right? The same principle applies here. The absolute first step is to start with clean, dry skin. I recommend taking a warm shower about 20 minutes before you plan to wax. This helps to open up your pores and soften the hair, making the process much smoother. After your shower, make sure the area is completely dry. You can use a gentle pH-balanced cleanser or pre-waxing wipes to remove any lingering oils, lotions, or sweat. This is crucial because wax needs a clean surface to adhere properly to the hair, not the skin. If your skin is even slightly damp, the wax won't grip effectively, which can lead to patchy results and unnecessary frustration. Next up, let's talk about hair length. This is a step that people often overlook, but it makes a huge difference in your comfort and the effectiveness of the wax. If the hair is too long, the wax can get messy, and the pull can be more painful. If it's too short, the wax won't have enough to grab onto. The sweet spot is about 1/4 of an inch, or the length of a grain of rice. If your hair is longer than that, you'll want to trim it down. You can use a pair of safety scissors or an electric trimmer with a guard. Just be very careful and take your time. A little trim will ensure the wax grips the hair perfectly, leading to a much cleaner and less painful removal. Trust me, this small step will make your entire experience so much better. Now for the main event, the wax itself. The type of wax you choose is important. For a Brazilian, I highly recommend using hard wax. Unlike soft wax, which requires strips, hard wax adheres only to the hair and not the skin. This makes it much gentler on the delicate, sensitive skin in the bikini area, significantly reducing pain and irritation. When you heat your wax, follow the instructions on the package carefully. The goal is to get it to the consistency of thick honey or molasses. It should be warm and spreadable, but never, ever hot. Before you even think about applying it, always do a patch test. Apply a small amount to the inside of your wrist to check the temperature. It should feel comfortably warm. If it stings or feels uncomfortably hot, let it cool down. Safety first, always. Rushing this step can lead to burns, and we absolutely want to avoid that. Okay, deep breath. It's time to apply the wax. Using an applicator stick, scoop up a manageable amount of wax. You're going to apply it in the direction of your hair growth. For the bikini area, this is typically downwards and sometimes inwards. Work in small controllable sections, about 1 to 2 inches wide. Don't try to wax a huge area all at once, especially if you're a beginner. Smaller sections mean more control, less pain, and better results. As you apply the wax, use firm but gentle pressure, ensuring you create a thicker lip or edge at the end of the strip. This little lip will be your handle for removal, so make sure it's thick enough to get a good grip on. Let the wax set on your skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. It should be firm to the touch but still pliable, not brittle. This is the moment of truth. The removal, it's all about technique. Hold your skin taut with your free hand. This is non-negotiable. Pulling the skin tight minimizes discomfort and prevents bruising. Grip the little lip you created at the end of the wax strip. Take another deep breath, and in one quick, fluid motion, pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. So, if you applied it downwards, you'll pull it upwards. The key is to pull parallel to the skin, not straight up away from it. Think of it like ripping off a bandage quick, confident, and close to the skin. Hesitation is not your friend here. A swift pull is much less painful than a slow one. And just like that, you've done it. Take a moment, you did the hardest part. Repeat this process, working in small sections, until you've achieved your desired level of smoothness. Remember to breathe and take breaks if you need to. Now that the hard part is over, it's time for some post-wax TLC. Your skin has been through a lot, so it's essential to soothe and calm it down. Immediately after you're finished, you might notice some redness and sensitivity. This is completely normal. The first thing you'll want to do is apply a post-wax oil. This will help remove any sticky wax residue that might be left behind. Water won't work on wax, so an oil-based product is key. After that, it's all about soothing. I love using a pure aloe vera gel or a calming cream specifically designed for post-waxing. Look for ingredients like chamomile or calendula. These will help reduce redness and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling calm and happy. Gently massage the product in and let your skin breathe. Aftercare doesn't stop right after waxing. It continues for the next 24 to 48 hours. During this time, your skin is still sensitive, and your pores are open, making them more susceptible to irritation and bacteria. To keep your skin happy and prevent any issues, there are a few things you should avoid. Steer clear of hot baths, saunas, steam rooms, and intense workouts that cause a lot of sweating. You'll also want to wear loose, comfortable clothing made from natural fibers like cotton. Tight clothes can cause friction and trap heat, which can lead to irritation and ingrown hairs. Also, avoid using any fragranced lotions, exfoliants, or products containing alcohol on the waxed area for at least a day. Let your skin fully recover and enjoy that fresh, clean feeling. Let's talk about everyone's least favorite topic, ingrown hairs. They can happen, but they are largely preventable with the right aftercare routine. The key to preventing ingrowns is regular exfoliation, but you have to time it right. Wait about 48 to 72 hours after your wax. Once any initial redness has subsided, then you can start gently exfoliating the area 2 to 3 times a week. You can use a gentle chemical exfoliant with salicylic or glycolic acid, or a soft physical scrub. Exfoliating sloughs away dead skin cells that can otherwise trap new hairs as they grow back, forcing them to grow sideways or back into the skin. In addition to exfoliating, keeping the skin moisturized is also crucial. Hydrated, supple skin allows the hair to grow through more easily. A simple, non-comedogenic moisturizer will do the trick. And there you have it. You've successfully completed your own at-home Brazilian wax. Take a moment to appreciate what you just did. It takes courage and patience, and you should be proud of yourself. This is such a powerful act of self-care, giving you that boost of confidence that comes from feeling smooth and clean. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first time might not be flawless, and that's completely okay. You'll get better and faster with each session. Your skin will thank you for this gentle, personalized care. You did something brave today, and now you can enjoy the amazing, long-lasting results. Thank you so much for joining me today for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel empowered to try this at home. All the products I mentioned, including my favorite waxing kit and aftercare gels, are linked in the description box below for you to check out. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments section. I love hearing from you and will do my best to answer every single one. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Sharing this video with a friend who might find it useful would also mean the world to me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing.